Hello there. Today I want to talk about ConsoleCraftEngine. A terminal game engine nobody's asked for. You can do any kind of game in 2D. Box 2D library has been also implemented for physics. Now I developed an editor can be used to create terminal-based games. Let's make a game. First we create a player game object. Here we set the sprite 3x5 and name it to player, and do some cleaning here. We can now add player controller component to our game object. Now let's give it a try. Now let's create another game object called gun. Attach gun to player so they can move together. Now we need a bullet game object to fire. After that we will create a bullet game object script. Here we add a line to move the object to the right. We select the game object script as bullet. You can think of this base class as Unreal Engine. We set bullet game object as a template. This is like prefab in Unity. We need another script for gun game object. Now beware, you are about to see the ugliest syntax ever in any programming language. std function void int input event std bind on input this std placeholders 1. Hopefully we have defines. Now we check for input to fire. From scene we can create our template game object that we created from bullet game object. Now we can fire. Perfect. Our last game object will be the enemy. Let's create a component script ourselves this time for enemy movement. You can get reference to game object from a component by owner variable. Now we will override onCollided and onCollided border methods from game object base class. We will check if collided game object is an enemy. If so, it will destroy enemy and bullet itself. For some particle effects, add particle source component to enemy. Now enemy game object has two components already. In enemy script we will omit particle on destroy. So it will play some particle effect when an enemy dies. Now we can add enemy to template. Lastly we will add some code to scene script. Just to create enemy game object from templates. And give some random position. And it's done.